Alright, GDI engine intake valve cleaning. So we have to warm up the car and we need the proper product. So I'm going to be using this product, CRS intake valve cleaning, and we have to get rid of this whole can, right? So we need to read through the instructions. Very first one, warm up the engine, okay? After warming up, it says spray directly into throttle body with little bursts, okay? And it's going to take some time to get rid of this whole bottle. So take your time, okay? And when you're done with spraying everything, you're basically going to rev the car. So just read it through, okay? I'm not going to read everything. This is a short video and it has to be pretty basic as well. So what I'm doing, warmed up the car, I'm going to shut off the car and then get rid of this engine cover, and I'm going to be removing this basically hose in between the engine throttle body and the basically filter cover box. So it takes only Phillips screwdriver to get rid of it. So you just loosen up those clamps and just slide out one side and get rid of the other side. You can also remove the filter cover box if it makes it easy. Engine is gonna be very hot, okay? So you will need somebody inside of the car holding the RPM at 2000 while you are spraying like this with little bursts, okay? So when you're done, you're gonna rev the car a few times to like, I don't know, 4,500, and then you will take the car for 30-minute ride. A lot of smoke is gonna come out, so do it outside. In my case, did it help? Yes, it did improve the MPG, it did improve the drivability of the car, so definitely worth it. But make sure somebody helps you, and also you don't drop anything in there. You don't do it when it's raining outside. Make sure you're not inside as well, so there's a lot of smoke is going to come out. So if you have any questions, comment below. Thanks.